Hello, welcome to the BarnColor factory in Sandefjord, Norway. Today, Arild, what are we going to talk about?
Today, Rolf, we're going to talk about the extremely successful, flexible product line, BarnColor.
Should we do some unboxing?
Of course.
So what do you have here?
This is a box, this is a pair of BarnColor,
Yeah.
green SDI.
Yeah. Feels heavy, feels
Yes.
like quality.
Yep. Let's open up.
Yeah. Okay.
Some protection,
Yeah.
and it says spare parts inside here.
Okay.
That should be some metal parts.
Okay, the brackets for...
This is for interconnection if you want two units
Yeah.
in one rack space.
Yeah.
And I also have
Rack
ears
ears.
for the rack.
Cool. So that comes with every box?
Always.
Okay.
And then there are two boxes in each box.
Two devices,
Two devices.
in each box?
Yes. So as expected, we have a pair of green SDI.
Yeah.
3G maximum. Could
Okay.
also be 12G, but this is 3G.
So we have two boxes. We have the hardware that comes with the box. I
Yep.
guess there is even more hardware
Oh,
here.
yeah.
So there is rack ears for each device. There are brackets for mounting the boxes together if you need so.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, cool.
And there's no user manual inside. Firstly, the product is so easy to use, so all you need to know is written on the top lid, or you have a QR code on the back side. If you scan it with your cell phone, you will get directly to a user manual, so no paper.
Okay, so
wasted.
basically this is the user manual.
This is what you need to know.
Okay, yeah, seems fair.
Yep. Shall we try it?
Let's do that. Let's
do
rid of
that.
this.
We
So
have-
what do we need?
We have what we need. We have a monitor,
Yep,
we have a signal source,
yep,
and we have a 150 meter fiber cable, so we can connect the units together.
yes.
The distance could of course be much longer than 150 meter, could be up to 10 kilometer.
Okay, cool.
So if you can find the optical cable and
Yep, I have it over here.
so to connect it, you only need to follow the instructions on the top lid.
So this one.
Yeah, this is all you need to know to operate the product.
Yep. Cool. Let's connect.
Yes.
So, and it is obviously peer-to-peer according to the manual.
Yep. So I'm using a nitric connector now.
Yeah.
Dual optical dual.
Yeah.
I could also use a standard LC.
Okay. Yeah. If you had short distances.
Yeah, or even long distance, depends on what you have.
I assume that would be what you use when you cascade the units.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. So power cable. I know that the standard connector here is the PowerCon, but you can also get it with a through one connector if you need.
That's correct.
Yeah.
You just need to specify it when you order the product.
Okay, so no extra cost or anything.
No, it's the same price. Okay.
So we have light.
We have a light, and it's
Yeah.
even green light, because that means the fiber quality, the fiber transmission between the boxes are
Yeah.
established, and it's good.
Good.
So you have 3 different status,
Yep.
which is excellent, and if it's orange, it's an accepted level.
Yep.
If it's red, it's a no link at all.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
make sure that this is green or
Yep.
at least orange.
Do you hear that? Okay, so
Signal source.
yeah.
So you have the 4 input connectors on top.
Yeah.
You will see the same on the top lid,
Yeah.
the explanation of each connector.
So which is the input here? So where's the signal? This or this?
This is the source.
This is the source. Okay.
Yes.
So I just connect it to the input one.
Input 1.
Yeah.
So I will expect,
And I see there is a green light indicating that there is something there.
yes, so I will expect the signal come out on output 1 then.
And there we have it. Color bar.
And as you can see, we didn't configure anything.
No.
We did not connect a computer. We did not install any software. We just connected just as it was mentioned on the top lid,
Yep.
and everything is working.
Cool,
This
right?
is how easy it should be.
Yep. So basically, fiber for dummies.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have connected the boxes. We have a picture. Can we add some signals to it?
Yes, we can, and that's
Okay.
the concept of the BarnColors.
Yep.
If you need to add more signals, if you need more SDI, or if you need Ethernet, HDMI, audio, you can just add in, as long as the color is different.
Okay.
So let's try to add in a set of Ethernet.
Yep, I have one here, I
Yep.
believe. I have a red one here.
I have a red one here.
Okay.
So we can follow the instructions on the top lid
Yep.
and just connect peers to cascade.
So do it need to be in a specific order or?
No,
Okay.
no specific order. The only thing you need to know is that the color has to be different.
Yeah. Okay.
So red, green, no problem.
Yeah.
Let's try. You will need a patch cable.
Yep.
So this is a standard duplex LC
Okay.
patch cable. It's 50 centimeters long, but it could be 1 kilometer, 100 meter,
Okay.
doesn't matter.
So what we basically are doing now is transmitting the same or a different signal through the same drum.
Yes, all the signals from the red box now
Yeah.
and the green box
Yeah.
are collected in the same fiber
Okay.
cable.
Yeah. Cool.
So now we have 4 Ethernet,
Yep.
4 in and 4 out
Yep.
SDI.
Yep.
So I can connect 4 cameras here and 4 monitors on your side, and vice versa. I can transport some MADI that you can also do on the same SDI
Yep.
connector or BNC connector. We have Ethernet, which is 4 separated Ethernet trunks.
Yep. So basically you can have one with, for instance, Dante.
Yeah.
You can have one with a PT set controller.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
And everything is into the same fiber.
Yep.
And if it's not enough,
Yep.
we still have more colors. So we
Yep.
can just keep adding in
So
units.
what do we have here? We have green and we have red. So we can add blue and we can add a purple one.
Yeah. So now you have a full set of BarnColors.
Yeah.
Gives you a very powerful and functional setup.
Yeah, so if all was SDI, we could have actually 16 SDIs bidirectional.
Yes.
Wow, that is quite amazing.
Isn't it?
Yeah, definitely is. If you want to see more of our products, you can find it on our website or even on the other videos. Thank you.